Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on grouped frequency table worksheets. So this video has some worksheets where we are asked to find the mean from a table which uses class intervals or grouped data. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you go to that link, click on it, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this slide on for a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. And after that time, I'll move on to the next slide. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. I'll leave this on for a minute or so. You can pause it for as long as you like, and then we'll move on to the last slide. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and you can click on the available link if you need any help.